Hey guys, it's Eli, and I've got something I've been really excited about. I've been traveling and everything, and so I haven't been able to open this, even though I've had this package for like over a week now. And what it is, since I just got it out of the box, it is called Dry Rub. This is a car seat protector specifically for like sports athletes and stuff like that. So, you know, it says for runners, weightlifters, surfers, and more. I guess I would be the and more because I'm a jiu-jitsu guy. So there's plenty of times that I'm leaving out of here and I just want to get home and I just walk out sweaty. So what they've noticed as a problem with this, and there's other people obviously like me, is that whenever you get in your car and you're sweaty, you can leave like sweat stains. Like sometimes that can mess up your seat, mess up your upholstery. It can leave like nasty smells and bacteria and everything gets in it and makes your car stink. So this is a seat protector. So I'm gonna open it up here, show you guys kind of what we're working with. I personally really appreciate the marketing aspect of this because this is like a really elegant package that they have. They even put like an inside insert here with instructions thanking you, showing you kind of like how to insert it. It's like a one-size-fits-all car seat, and it comes with this nice little bag here on top of everything else that you can repurpose and probably throw your like sweaty clothes into that. So that's really cool. And this is the actual seat cover itself. Has a really good feel to it. Shows you there, train dirty, ride clean. That's pretty cool. This has a really good feel to it. It's really soft, it's really smooth. They said you don't like slip or slide or anything on it like you might think that you might or anything. So this is something I'm really looking forward to. It's machine washable, so whenever you do get in it, if it does get sweaty a few times, it's not gonna ruin your upholstery in your car, it's not gonna ruin your car seat, it's not gonna smell of your car. Whenever if it does get nasty, you just take it off and take it in and machine wash it. So that's really cool. They even threw in an extra t-shirt. Not 100% sure if they're gonna do this with every order, but I think they might actually, or if they just did this for me for a product review. But yeah, so train dirty, ride clean. Really cool shirt. And I really appreciate the time they put into this, like making this kind of product here. I think that's really something that's gonna be good. I think that probably too, guys, my opinion is that I think it would make a really good gift. I'm gonna probably get some of these for some of my jiu-jitsu friends on my Christmas list, and so that they don't have to keep on messing up their car upholstery and stinking up their car whenever they get in all sweaty and nasty at the end of the day. So yeah, keep that in mind if you wanna go and get your own or go check out what else they have. Their website is called getdryrub.com. You can also catch them on social media. There's Facebook, Dry Rub Love, and at @dry_rub on Instagram. So check these guys out. Really cool product. Perfect for the Christmas season coming up. So go and get you one, guys. Thanks a lot for listening to me.